everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If this is your first time, you're welcome, and if you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back. Massive thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support. Today's video is to show how I use my Tower 5-in-1 digital air fryer oven to cook some chips and also some fish fingers. This is my Tower 5-in-1 digital air fryer. I have a review on this air fryer. Kindly check the video if you have not. And also I have made some recipes using this air fryer, which are all in my YouTube channel. The chips I use is this straight cut chips from Aldi, which cooks from frozen in 20 minutes. It is made with sunflower oil. It has no hydrogenated oil, no artificial color, flavoring or preservatives. This is the fish fingers I will be using. It comes as a pack of 30 pieces and it is from Farm Foods. The chips can be cooked in the oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes or deep fried for 4 to 6 minutes. While the fish fingers can be baked in the oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 10 to 12 minutes or shallow fried for 5 to 6 minutes. As I will be using an air fryer, I will be following the instruction of baking in an oven. The Tower 5-in-1 digital air fryer comes with 3 of these wire racks, and I'm going to use 2 of these racks for the chips and 1 for the fish fingers. I poured some chips on 2 of these wire racks and spread them in a single layer. This is to make sure that they cook evenly and thoroughly. No oil or cooking spray was added to the chips. The fish fingers comes like this in the pack, and I placed 4 of it on the wire rack. I was cooking some battered fish at the same time, so I cooked it together. To prevent the fish fingers from sticking to the wire rack, I sprayed it with this cooking oil. This is a sunflower cooking spray, but I'm sure any cooking spray would do. I sprayed the fish fingers on one side, then turned the sprayed side upside down onto the rack. These are all the racks filled and ready to go into the air fryer. This is my Tower 5-in-1 digital air fryer oven. It is an 11 liters digital air fryer, which is a generous amount of space. I placed the rack containing the fish in the middle shelf and the racks with the chips at the top and at the bottom. Switching on the air fryer actually comes with an auto program for cooking chips at 180 degrees centigrade as shown by the icon on the left. But as the cooking instruction says to cook at 200 degrees centigrade, I will be using the air fryer as a normal oven and cook at 200 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. After about 10 minutes of cooking, I swap the racks with the chips at the top and the bottom so that it can cook evenly. This is the fish and chips when it has been fully cooked. This is a huge advantage of having this air fryer because it comes with a large capacity of 11 liters. It also comes with these racks which allows one to cook several foods at the same time. I'm able to cook the chips and the fish at the same time rather than cooking the chips then having to wait for it to be done before I can cook the fish. This is saving me time and also saving me electricity. Taking a closer look at the chips and fish, it comes out nice and crispy. And also the fish fingers did not stick to the rack, they came out quite easily. And there we have it, how to use the Tower 5-in-1 digital air fryer oven to cook some chips and fish fingers. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post new videos. And also kindly check my video on the review of this Tower air fryer and other videos in which I have used this air fryer to cook some other food. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.